Spirit is saying that they need to let go of an ex. They're trying to release an ex right now, and this is why you guys are separated from each other. Like, there's some distance between the two of you. I definitely feel like this person wants to come back in, but they're scared. This person has, I don't commitment issues. Like, they'll commit, but they won't really go all the way in. Like, that 1 foot in, 1 foot out mess. Yeah, this is the energy for whoever messed up, Capricorn. So if you messed up, it's for you. If the other person messed up, it's their energy. But yeah, let's hop in, because Spirit is letting them know, like, I think they're pushing them back towards you. But this person's scared. Alright, yeah, let's hop in. Tell me about you or the other person. That's that vice versa energy, guys. Alright. Bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Swords reversed. So this is basically telling me that at one point somebody couldn't sleep, but they're coming out of that energy, coming out of being frustrated. Look at that. Capricorn, this could have been you. You know, maybe this person just brought a lot of, like, conflict into your life, and so you had to walk away from them. This could also be letting me know that the person is walking away from a toxic situation that they put themselves in. Let's see. Some of you guys could be dealing with another Capricorn. Let's see. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I feel like somebody had to walk away because they're definitely transforming. Somebody knows that something had to come to an end if they wanted something new to begin. Yeah, it's the person that messed up, because I'm telling you, they're coming back to give you an offer, Capricorn. But they feel like you're not going to take it at all. They feel like, honestly, you deserve better than them because they messed up. Yeah, they messed up. Something with their past here. Tell me more. Somebody could be drinking a lot, but I feel like somebody took some type of financial loss that they're sad about. And they're also sad because they messed up things with you, and this is like why they're not talking to you. It's like communication is barely coming in, but it's like they know you're not happy, but they're not happy within themselves. They know that you look at them like they have other options, and this is why there was a breakup here. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Tell me more. Okay, but somebody's taking it day by day, trying to approach you, trying to come back towards you. But see, they know that they were being sneaky in the past. But this person does not want you to walk away from them. Tell me more. Yeah. They don't want you to think about the past because this person wants to move forward with you. I'm telling you, they look at you like wish fulfillment. They want a family with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. They're wanting to speak their truth to you. But I do feel like somebody is trying to come out of some type of situation. If there was a family situation coming on, going on, they're trying to get out of this. I don't know if it was like a court situation going on here that they were waiting on, like a verdict. Let me see. Tell me more. What about justice reverse? Because they're coming to talk to you. Yeah, see, somebody's freeing themselves. Yeah, there was some type of family situation going on. Because I see somebody freeing themselves. They're being single. They're having a peace of mind with their money. Somebody could have been going to court for something. And this is why things are moving slow. That's why they weren't taking a leap towards you. Because they had to take care of this situation down here. But this individual could have been younger than you. If not, they're coming back to give you an offer. And they're no longer frustrated about it. But see, at the same time, even though it's like they know what they want to do, Capricorn, they're still isolating themselves from you. And I feel like it's because of what they did in the past. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here. They're isolating themselves because it's like, yeah, they were being a player. They were definitely playing around, being a player in the past. And this is why they're not positive if you're going to take them back or not. Yeah, see, they feel like they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but they know that they didn't bring stability into the situation. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but they look at you as someone who's very positive in their life. And they know that they stabbed you in the back. And they're upset about it because they're realizing like you were somebody who was really good to them. And they should not have treated you the way that they did. But this person is still not expressing themselves at all. Because they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. What are they confident about? This person is trying to have the confidence to come back towards you, but they're having a hard time. Clarify the King of Pentacles reverse. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Yeah, they're having a hard time because, yeah, they brought an imbalance into the relationship. But they do want to have a victory with you. I'm not sure if I said this, but somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. If I did, I'm sorry. But this person is undecided about what to do because they know that your guard is up. But they're coming out of feeling frustrated about this situation. Why is the Tower here? Clarify the Tower. Okay, so it's like now they see things clearly now. Yeah, I feel like the universe stepped in. Something came crashing down. It's like now they know what they need to do. And they're trying to have hope to come back towards you. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. But this person just is not using their intuition right now. They want to come back and give you an offer. It is a small offer because they know that you don't trust them. They definitely want to start over and build with you. They do want to turn things around, Capricorn. Yeah, they know they messed up. But they feel like you're not going to take them back due to this breakup. Look at that. See, there's no balance. They know that they didn't balance things out between the two of you. You were the one doing everything within the relationship when y'all were together. And this is why they're frustrated. This is why they're not really saying anything. So they're going to make a decision to come back towards you to put in the work to fix things. But they can't sleep. They can't sleep. They're frustrated because they left you out in the cold. They can't stop thinking about how they did you. And this is why they feel like you're not going to give them a new opportunity. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person is going to come back towards you to speak their truth. The King of Wands is somebody who knows what he or she wants. So they're coming back. The seeds that were planted, this person wants them to grow, but at the same time, they're just not making a move towards you right now due to the fact that you did cut them off in the past. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But this person definitely wants to move forward with you. And they want to work things out. They want contentment with you. They want stability with you. But they're scared because there is somebody still here lurking. I'm telling you, somebody does not want y'all to be together at all. But it doesn't matter because this person wants things to improve. I feel like they are using their intuition at this point. Yeah, see? I got 2 improvement cards back to back. They definitely want things to improve with you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. This could just be your energy. Capricorn's like you guys are just focusing on yourselves. You're healing. But right now, there's just no communication at all. And they're regretting it. They're not, if you guys haven't heard from this person, they're not reaching out. They're not talking to you because they don't care. They're not opening up and expressing themselves to you because they messed up in the past. And they're feeling guilty. They're regretting their decisions. And they're trying to figure out how to even approach you at this point. Because they do want things to improve. But because they put you in some type of third-party situation, they feel like you're not going to take them back due to the fact that you did cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But I feel like this person is trying to have the strength to come back to balance things out. But right now, there's no balance in this situation. There's no balance, possibly with this person's finances. But they're coming back quickly to give you the Ace of Cups. They're coming back. But see, they feel stuck right now because they're not sure if they're going to be able to have a happy home with you. And I feel like the way the 3 of Swords just came out, they know whoever this ex is, this third-party person, they're trying to get out of that situation. They know they have to let this person go, but I don't feel like they completely walked away from this individual just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but they know that they hurt you. Capricorn, they know that you're still emotional, you're still upset because of what they've done. They had you waiting. I definitely feel like this person had you waiting for a while to get out of the situation. They could have, told you stories like, I'm done, it's nothing, blah, blah, blah. But that wasn't the truth. So now I feel like they're getting ready to pick up the pace and come back towards you. But see, They're in their head because they feel like they lost you. See, 2 5. There's a lot of conflict going on within themselves. But see, they're going to get out of this third party situation. They're going to remove themselves because they know that you're the one that they want to be with. But they still have not released this person just yet. Capricorns, let me know what's going on. Leave me some comments. Okay, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Capricorn. See you soon. Bye, Capricorn.